death trap.
This guy had dialed 9-1 and was just hovering over the 1.
All right, guys, if you've been following us for any time at all, you know this is our 1975 Dodge RamCharger, and we are gonna give this thing away to a lucky YouTube subscriber. That's right, all you gotta do to enter to win this truck right here is subscribe to the YouTube channel. We've posted a couple videos breaking this thing down. It's got a 440 V8 underneath the hood. It's got all kinds of goodies. It's a great truck as it sits right now. We're gonna tear this whole thing apart, give it the full RestoMods treatment from Esparza and his crew, and turn it into the ultimate off-road 75 RamCharger. But before we do that, we're gonna take it out on some of these trails right here, and we're gonna have some fun with it. Come on.
So we're heading down this trail. I don't think this is like too crazy of a trail. We got a car full of Resto employees that are probably just holding on for dear life back there. But we're not gonna get too crazy. This thing is all-wheel drive, so we're just gonna leave it in that all-wheel drive state for now. If we get into trouble, maybe we'll throw it into low or low lock even. I'm not even 100% sure how this transfer case works, but let's just see what she can do. The good thing is we're following our shop truck, which is a Z71 Silverado. It's pretty capable. So I'm not even exactly trying to keep up, but so far it's doing fine. I mean, that's like a completely modern 4x4 truck, but like I said, not a crazy trail, and you know, if we get stuck or something, that thing should be able to pull us out. We got this short wheelbase. That kind of works to our advantage on a tight trail like this. We are wide though. This thing is just as wide as that truck for sure. We hit that berm, dude. Hold on.
Hitting the bank corner.
Dude,
I almost flew out the window.
pretty
right
scary,
there.
like right here on the cliff doing that.
Woo! How was it?
That thing is fun, man. This truck is a whole barrel of fun. What do you guys think? Should we see how fast this thing can go?
Let's do this.
Yeah, I'm gonna go the fastest though, just so you guys know.
Joe.
Bet.
0 shot. What are we
Let's put
betting?
some burritos on it.
What are we, burritos?
Burritos.
Yeah.
Double or
Burritos
nothing.
on Joe?
Burritos double or nothing.
What do you think the top speed's gonna be? Can we get an over/under on
35. I'm gonna say
On a dirt
40.
road? Yeah.
I'm gonna say 48.
All right.
But nobody kill us all.
All right, here we are. We have Joe, Esparza, Hedge, and Ken, and a challenge. We've set up a starting line right here, and we have a finish line down there. We're gonna see who can go the fastest. Loser, what's loser buying?
Burritos.
Burritos.
Joe's buying burritos.
Joe's buying burritos.
Chris is buying burritos.
All right, let's see who's the fastest.
You're chilling in there.
I ain't scared, Jimmy.
Yo, come on, get your head in the game.
I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna get some free burritos today. I'm the lightest, I'm the fastest, I'm the strongest.
Literally none of that is true.
Respect your elders, Joe.
Can't wear the shirt if you don't mean it.
Who's going first?
I am. Just get it out. I just want to get going. Get
Hey, guys.
over here. Over here. Over here, Ken. All right, what these guys don't know is that you don't have to win. All you have to do is be faster than the slowest guy. It's like with your friends running from a bear. You don't have to be the first, you just can't be last. How about you? Nah, you're gonna be first.
All right, Ken, your turn.
So this is what's known as sandbagging. And we're gonna, whoever's sitting shotgun is gonna keep the time on their phone. So it's on the honor system, which I'm sure we won't have any problems with. No, we're doing time. Just for time, Joe. Stop trying to change the rules already, dude. Just get your burrito money ready.
Hey.
It's full out, boys.
Here we go, here we go. Man, we are trucking. Stop.
51 miles an hour.
14:68 time.
Woo! Hey, take your time slowing down, boys.
14:68. Yeah, don't lock them up. Whatever you do, just don't lock them up.
A little bit of dust.
What was the time?
14:68. 14.68 seconds.
Pretty fast, dude.
Not minutes.
All right. Easy time to beat, easy speed to beat. I got this. This is gonna be a cakewalk.
Don't kill us. Seriously. Rule number 1.
Don't slam on the brake.
Hey, pull it towards you.
What is going
Zero
on?
shot. You all right, Ken?
Just don't
hedge.
What time?
It was a 13.88 at 55 miles an hour.
All right.
Blistering.
55.
Dude, you went 55.
It wasn't rad.
Hey, closest to 60.
All right, Esparza's now
All right.
behind the
Strapped
wheel.
in. I brought a helmet, but you know, I think we're okay without it right now.
Can we shoot this off out of the back as we drive?
Is this your phone?
Yeah.
That'd be pretty sick.
Oh yeah, no, you gotta be more aerodynamic.
That is a feature.
Speed
Is that gonna give him extra?
to
See,
1 mile an hour.
I refuse to close mine.
That feels sketchier than everyone else. Our car guys, all right. 58! God. 58!
I forgot to hit the stop button. We're gonna go 58 as a
I
win.
think speed is like
We're gonna go 58 as a
speed's
win.
there.
Woo! To be honest, I was terrified. I forgot to hit the stop button.
I was terrified.
What was that?
So, no time, but top speed was 58. Part of my strategy was just to frighten everyone so much in the car that they lost track of like the timer.
The
and
real, I was
worked.
terrified and I forgot to hit the stop button. But he did go 58, which is faster than Joe, so we're assuming his time was much better. And people were
Were you
more
dialing
scared.
911? My phone was like on emergency call.
Maybe I was. It was
This
scary.
guy had dialed 911 and was just hovering over the one.
Kenneth.
Here, give your phone to Esparza the video. You got the car?
You watch this.
I'm gonna really try to
Where's
hit
the
stop button this
seatbelt?
time.
Where's the seatbelt?
Lap belt, Ken. Lap
Oh my
belt.
God. All right. My goal here is to arrive alive, you guys. Let's be
There you
safe.
go.
Enough of this nonsense on the off-road. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, we're
Everybody?
ready.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Are we going?
Like a herd of turtles.
Really moving here.
Doesn't have a horn.
Oh, right here. It's the remote control.
Hey, you're drifting a little bit.
Oh, dude, watch for
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh my God! This is scarier than Esparza's lap.
Oh my
You're
God.
scaring the cattle, Ken.
Hey, the law won't get us, but the mountain will. All right, I saw a top speed of 18 miles an hour.
And time.
Did I get to the finish line?
We're there.
We made it alive.
Everyone's not scared. It was a nice drive. I'm
I
really
was still a
excited.
little scared.
I got scared when you started honking the horn.
I'm pretty confident I ranked
living large.
as one of the safest drivers of the day. How do you get out of this fucking car? Get me out of this truck! How do you get out?
You opened the door.
Fuck this thing. I'm done with this. It's a death trap.
All right, so who won?
You were touching my
Who
butt.
won? Who won?
Me.
I don't know. There's no
No,
clear winner.
Esparza
Like,
did.
I got top speed, but time, who knows?
So first place Esparza, second place me, third place Chris,
Allegedly.
and last place.
Hey man, you gotta arrive alive.
Listen,
I did what I can.
we all won today because now we're gonna get burritos.
I got you guys.
Thanks
You know what?
to Ken.
You won fair and square. I
Yeah.
got it.
We appreciate
it.
that.
I honor my word, dude. I got it.
Man,
I'm gonna be doing the pay-in here. Yeah. I got all these guys. I lost the race today, but it's okay. Company card.
Nobody tried to chip in. One at a time.
so just remember, smash that subscribe button, get entered to win. When we hit 100,000 subscribers, we're gonna give away this truck right here to one of you lucky subscribers, and you get to follow along on the journey as Esparza and his team take this thing completely apart, give it the full RestoMods treatment, put it all back together, and ready for one of you guys. Good luck.